Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kashmiri Warimuth dal or black turtle beans. It's also referred as Rumah dal. This is a perfect dal dish, flavorful and delicious, served with rice in Kashmir. Simple to cook and it's one among the winter foods of Kashmir. So let's get started. For making this dal, I have taken black turtle beans 1 cup soaked in water for minimum 2 hours or overnight. Oil 2 to 3 tablespoons. Salt 2 teaspoons. Kashmiri chili powder 2 teaspoons. Turmeric a pinch. Half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Cinnamon stick and black cardamom. These are optional, you can skip them for this dal. Garam masala half a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder. 6 to 8 garlic cloves. 1 thinly sliced onion. Now in a cooker I have taken soaked dal and added 3 to 4 glasses of water, salt, cinnamon stick, black cardamom and garlic cloves. Cook up to 2 whistles and then simmer for half an hour. So after cooking for half an hour, it has cooled down. Now I will open the lid. It's cooked. Now an optional step of mashing. This is up to you whether you want to mash it or not. It's not like the whole dal you have to mash. It's around half you have to mash. So it will mix properly. I'm using a steel masher to mash, just a little bit. Now in a pan I have heated up 2 tablespoons of oil and added ginger garlic paste and cumin seeds. Saute them properly. Then add onions. Mix and let them fry properly. It's a tempering tadka for dal. Now once the onions are fried properly, we will add spices, chili powder, turmeric powder, fennel seed powder and garam masala. Mix and then add a portion of cooked beans. Mix properly and let them cook and then transfer this tadka or tempering to dal. Mix this tempering or tadka with the dal and keep it on high flame till it thickens. In 15 minutes it has thickened. Here you can check the consistency of dal and you can adjust salt according to your taste. Now I'll dish it out. It's a staple winter dish and treat to taste buds, and I have paired it with Kashmiri Munjhak pickle. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.